name's Melanie. I'm 24 years old and I recently started my first full-time job. Now, as a 2024 college graduate, I can say that the job market is really tough right now. And I grew up sharing my life on the internet, but somewhere in that post-grad stage in my 20s where I didn't know what was going on, I was so afraid of looking like I didn't know what I was doing or doing the wrong thing that I unintentionally ended up taking such a big step back from sharing my life. And I'm at the point where I feel like I kind of forgot how to do it. So even though this new stage is equally as scary for me, I hope that this can bring somebody comfort, whether you're in college still, recently graduated and looking for a job, or starting a new one just like me. Good morning, guys, and welcome to today's video. Today I'm starting a new job and I'm taking you guys along with me for my very first day. So let's finish getting ready for the day. I chose a very basic outfit. Honestly, don't really know how to dress because I'm taking Bart into the city. I would say before this, I've probably been to the city. I could probably count it on one or two hands since moving here like 2 years ago. I like really don't go very much at all. And it's kind of hard to dress for it because it's kind of cloudy there, but then the clouds burn off, so. Getting ready. Now I really need some coffee, so let's go make some. It actually blows my mind that in high school and college, I would genuinely roll out of bed like 15 to 20 minutes before I needed to be somewhere and I would be able to make it there on time. But I'm a big believer in being high maintenance so that you can be low maintenance, aka setting yourself up for a good day. And for me, that is having homemade coffee, doing a little morning devotional, and having enough time in the morning to have some peace of mind to set me up for a good day. Especially if the day ahead of me is something new that makes me a little bit anxious, like starting a new job. Guys, I was so scared. So I knew I wanted to wake up a little extra early so that I could give myself some peace of mind. Hi guys, I just wanted to sit down and chat for a little bit because I didn't really do much of a formal introduction or any explaining really for this kind of video. So I have some life updates. I plan to do kind of more maybe like casual videos talking about this more, but as you already saw by the title of this video and through my intro, I'm starting a new job and today is my very first day and I don't know, I've been making YouTube videos for so long, like I think almost 10 years now. I've always filmed the big milestones, and so even though I don't film a ton of lifestyle content anymore, I don't know, I thought it would be fun to share a little bit about this journey as well, and especially just like the first day. I wanted to have it kind of documented. Obviously, I don't think I'm gonna be filming like on the job. I do hope to film just, you know, sprinkle in my day surrounding it because I don't know, it's a big shift. I feel like a big girl. And I know a lot of people who have watched my channel relate and maybe are job searching or starting a new job or have recently. And so maybe some of this you can relate to. Yeah, but it's so sweet thinking about how I used to film like first day of high school, first day of sophomore year vlog, first year of college vlog, and now we're here, first day on the job. That's what we're doing today. I think I mentioned this a little bit earlier. If you're wondering, my role is in digital marketing and I'm doing it for a skincare company that I really love. So I'm so excited for this. I'm excited to learn, I don't know, meet the team. I'm a shy girl, I'm an introvert, so I'm a little bit nervous, but this also feels very big girl because I'm gonna be commuting to the city, which I never do. I never go to the city, but this job is hybrid. So I'm going to be going to the office more in the beginning for training, going to the city more, which is about an hour commute for me on public transportation, and my first time doing it alone. But I won't be alone because you guys will be with me. I don't think I'm that directionally challenged. I just haven't done it by myself before, and now I'm like, I wish I paid more attention when Alex or my friends took me to the city, but we'll figure it out. Okay, I have like 30 more minutes, so I should eat some breakfast and then off to our first day. I'm going crazy. I meant to grab my chia seed. That would have been a catastrophe. Guys, we're finally getting ready to head out to work. I don't know what's going on, but my bag is packed to the brim and so full. I don't know how it gets so full. I think it's because I carry a water bottle and a coffee. I don't know. But this is gonna be the outfit. Pretty much everything is from Quince, but my white top underneath is either GU or Uniqlo. These are my Doc Martens. And I have my Longchamp bag and I tie this little thrifted scarf around it for a little extra something. I'll see you guys once we make it to the city. Hello, I made it to the city. I actually got here like 30 minutes early because I like to be really early if I don't know where I'm going and it's my first day especially. So I've actually just been walking around and I found this little sitting area and it's been really nice. I've been able to respond to some texts and get a little bit of editing in also, but I'm gonna try to get to my office and meet my manager a little bit early because once again, as a nervous girl, being early solves a lot of the problems. It's also been so fun just walking around and seeing all the like restaurants and coffee shops. Like wherever I go, I'm always eyeing the coffee shops, so I already have a list forming in my head for coffee breaks and matcha breaks. I'm heading to the office now for the first time ever. I just made it through my first full day of work and I think it went pretty well. I'm not gonna lie, I'm pooped, but I do have more work to do. This role that I'm doing is mostly gonna be remote, but we do sync up in office, and so you have the opportunity to like leave, but as long as you finish all of your work, it's fine. So I left the office, but I do have quite a couple things that I wanted to get done, especially since it's the first day. So it's like 5:30 now, but I'm probably going to do, I don't know how long it's gonna take, but I'm gonna do work until I finish everything that I need to. And I surprisingly didn't even finish all of my coffee today, so still working on that. But yeah, I got like no clips at work, which is kind of as expected for the first day of anything. It's like a little bit intimidating to bring my little camera out. I didn't really get many clips after work either, but I was editing my whole art ride back and I actually was able to edit a lot, which was nice. I'm trying to build up my tolerance because not gonna lie guys, I get a little bit motion sick, but I'm like fully convinced if I do it in increments, I will get rid of my motion sickness. I'm trying to like train myself. But yeah, back to work, just in a new location. I stayed up way past my bedtime. I swear, I don't know what happened. And it's 11 now, which like before that would be pretty darn early for me to be like getting ready for bed, or not early, but it would be pretty like reasonable. But now I'm kind of like, I would be dying tomorrow. But I at least had to come on here and say goodnight to you guys and thank you guys for joining me today. I think this is honestly gonna be a really, really short video. At this point right now, I don't even know how much footage I have, so I don't even know if I can post this. It's funny because like if I made this video back in whatever, 2015, heck yeah, I would post this because an 8-minute video was like the standard. But tell me why my average video now is like 30+ minutes. So I don't know. I am happy happy I filmed this because I feel like this is such a milestone. No matter what I'm going through when I film it and edit it and share it, it's kind of fun to share all of these experiences with other people. And now I'm like, heck yeah, just post it. But then I know when I'm editing it, I'm gonna be like, bruh, this is 6 minutes of footage. We'll see, we'll see. I have no clue how long this is gonna be. But either way, wherever this footage goes, thank you guys for watching. If this is posted, hope you guys are doing well. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.